Tekla is a revolutionary 3D printed dwelling that marks a major leap forward in sustainable architecture and eco-conscious housing. Designed by Mario Cucinella Architects in collaboration with engineering firm WASP, Tekla is built using natural, locally sourced materials, primarily clay, making it both environmentally responsible and highly innovative. Unlike traditional construction methods, which often rely on energy-intensive materials and create significant waste, the Tekla house is produced through advanced 3D printing technology that minimizes resource usage and shortens the construction timeline dramatically. What sets Tekla apart is not just the material, but the entire philosophy behind its design. Its unique dome-like biomorphic structure is not only visually striking, but also highly functional. The curved walls improve thermal insulation, allow better airflow, and maximize natural lighting, leading to improved energy efficiency and comfort. Every element, from the organic shape to the layered texture of the printed walls, is crafted to work in harmony with the environment, offering a self-supporting, zero-emissions alternative to conventional housing. This dwelling stands as a powerful symbol of how cutting-edge technology can meet ecological awareness to create practical and scalable solutions for global housing challenges. Whether deployed in rural communities, disaster-stricken zones, or as part of future urban planning, Tekla represents a promising path toward affordable, sustainable living without compromising on strength, resilience, or innovation. Rivonia offers a remarkable solution for sustainable, energy-efficient living through a thoughtfully engineered and detail-oriented installation process. It all starts with strategic site selection and thorough preparation, which includes environmental surveys, securing the necessary permits, and conducting precise excavation work. A strong concrete foundation is then laid and carefully waterproofed to ensure long-term durability and structural integrity. Once the groundwork is complete, the modular units are transported to the site, placed meticulously, and securely connected to form the base structure of the home. Utilities such as plumbing, electrical systems, and HVAC are then professionally installed to provide all the modern comforts of a conventional house. To complete the structural integration, the surrounding area is backfilled and landscaped, not only for efficient drainage, but also to allow the home to blend naturally into its environment. Inside, high-quality insulation, drywall, flooring, and fixtures are installed to ensure optimal comfort, energy conservation, and aesthetic appeal. The entire process concludes with rigorous inspections and system testing, ensuring that everything functions flawlessly. The end result is a durable, eco-conscious home that doesn't just meet modern living standards, it redefines them, offering a harmonious balance between functionality, sustainability, and visual elegance. Retreat is a forward-thinking solution that redefines the concept of temporary housing by seamlessly merging sustainability with practical utility. Created with an emphasis on reducing environmental impact, these structures are built from repurposed and eco-friendly materials, making them ideal for individuals and communities seeking responsible living options. Whether deployed in the aftermath of a natural disaster, at a music festival, or as a short-term housing option, retreat units are designed for fast assembly and disassembly, offering unparalleled flexibility without compromising comfort. Despite their temporary nature, each unit is equipped with essential amenities, including sleeping quarters, bathroom facilities, and kitchen spaces, ensuring a comfortable and functional stay. The thoughtful design prioritizes both sustainability and livability, providing a safe and pleasant environment even in unpredictable or remote settings. Their modular architecture allows for easy transportation and customization, enabling the structures to adapt to different climates, terrains, and occupancy needs. Retreat represents more than just shelter. It embodies a modern approach to temporary living, proving that environmentally conscious design can go hand in hand with convenience and resilience. It's a meaningful step forward in addressing urgent housing needs while caring for the planet, offering scalable, responsible solutions to real-world challenges in both urban and off-grid environments. Boxable folding houses represent a remarkable leap forward in modern housing, combining innovation, affordability, and speed like never before. These prefabricated homes are designed with incredible efficiency, allowing them to be transported compactly and then unfolded and assembled in just a few short hours. Once set up, they transform into a complete and functional living space that includes all the essential comforts of home, such as a fully equipped kitchen, a modern bathroom, a cozy bedroom, and a comfortable living area. What makes boxable homes stand out even more is their use of high-quality, durable materials that are engineered to withstand a wide range of weather conditions, from scorching heat to heavy rain and cold climates. This ensures long-term resilience and peace of mind for homeowners. Their compact, foldable structure also means that transporting them is easy and cost-effective, opening the door to a wide range of uses. Whether it's for emergency housing during a disaster, a peaceful retreat in a remote location, or an affordable starter home, Boxable offers unmatched versatility. Additionally, these homes are designed with sustainability in mind. They are energy efficient, eco-friendly, and built with minimal environmental impact. As the demand for smarter, faster, and greener housing grows, boxable folding homes provide a futuristic yet practical solution that perfectly fits today's fast-paced and evolving lifestyle. Mirror House is a stunning example of modern architecture that combines innovation, sustainability, and elegance. Its defining feature, reflective glass exterior walls, allows it to visually disappear into its natural surroundings, mirroring trees, sky, and landscape to create a harmonious blend with nature. Inside, the Mirror House delivers a luxurious yet minimalist living experience. Every unit is outfitted with high-end finishes, including a fully equipped kitchen, sleek modern bathroom, and a comfortable sleeping area, all crafted with attention to detail. Thanks to its prefabricated design, installation is fast and efficient, typically requiring minimal foundation work and enabling placement in remote locations. This makes it an ideal choice for vacation getaways, guest houses, eco-lodges, or remote workspaces. Engineered for energy efficiency and durability, the EOD Mirror House provides a sustainable lifestyle solution without sacrificing comfort or style. It's not just a shelter, it's an immersive experience that brings residents closer to the beauty and tranquility of the natural world. The Koala Lifter is a groundbreaking advancement in wind turbine installation and maintenance technology, addressing a pressing need within the rapidly expanding renewable energy sector. Each year, over 18,000 new wind turbines are installed globally, and approximately 20,000 maintenance operations are required to keep these massive machines functioning efficiently. Recognizing the need for a safer, more adaptable, and cost-effective solution, the EU-funded Koala Lifter project set out to redefine how turbines are serviced. This innovative lifting system is uniquely designed to utilize the wind turbine's own tower as structural support, eliminating the need for external cranes or large-scale machinery. One of its most impressive features is its autonomous self-climbing capability, which allows it to scale turbine towers of varying heights without relying on external platforms or scaffolding. The system operates with remarkable independence from the tower height, weight of the components being lifted, and even within certain wind conditions, factors that traditionally complicate or delay maintenance work. What truly sets Koala Lifter apart is its combination of easy installation, minimal logistics, enhanced safety, and a significantly reduced need for on-site labor. These attributes make it far superior to conventional maintenance systems and existing frameless technologies. The project's roadmap includes expanding the range of liftable products, thoroughly validating and certifying all processes and devices, and eventually bringing the system to market. Supported by the European Innovation Council (EIC) Accelerators blended funding, the Koala Lifter is poised to become a transformative tool in wind energy, enabling faster, safer, and more efficient turbine maintenance with reduced environmental and financial costs. Quick Cabin is a revolutionary approach to portable housing that challenges traditional assumptions about mobile homes and the balance between ease of assembly and quality. As its name implies, it's designed for speed, both in setup and disassembly, making it ideal for rapid deployment and relocation. Whether you're moving it onto a trailer for transport or erecting it on site, Quick Cabin redefines efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Think of it as a more durable, weather-resistant, and comfortable upgrade from a typical tent. Its modular design allows it to function as either a temporary shelter or a long-term living space, offering flexibility for a wide range of applications, from leisure cabins in remote locations to emergency response housing in disaster zones. What sets Quick Cabin apart is its smart layout and thoughtfully engineered components, which allow for intuitive assembly without requiring specialized skills or tools. This makes it highly adaptable across industries, including tourism, construction, disaster relief, and off-grid living. With its blend of simplicity, resilience, and versatility, Quick Cabin offers a new standard in portable housing solutions. The Speed Building System from Belgium introduces a forward-thinking solution for modern construction by merging the time-tested durability of traditional brickwork with groundbreaking innovation. At the core of this system is Facade Click, a patented product that revolutionizes how facades are built, maintained, and reused. Rather than discarding the reliable methods of the past, Facade Click represents a thoughtful evolution, one that embraces sustainability and circular construction without compromising on quality or performance. This system utilizes specially designed HDBEE connectors that enable bricks to be clicked into place without the need for mortar. This not only drastically speeds up the construction process, but also allows the brickwork to be easily disassembled and reused, significantly reducing construction waste. It's an approach that aligns perfectly with the growing demand for sustainable building practices while offering a visually appealing and robust solution. Facade Click delivers the best of both worlds: the charm, thermal insulation, and resilience of traditional masonry combined with the efficiency, modularity, and environmental benefits of modern systems. It's not just about building faster, it's about building smarter and with a conscience. Whether applied to residential, commercial, or industrial projects, this system empowers architects and builders to construct energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing, and environmentally responsible structures, paving the way for the future of construction.